Disturbing new details about a gymnastics coach who was accused of sex crimes with his students.
A judge ordering explicit text messages be released. Let's get right to Local 10's Roy Ramos live with our top story at 6. Roy.
Nicole and Calvin, and what really makes these text messages disturbing is you need to consider that this is an adult allegedly having conversations with girls as young as 14 years old.
Wearing a green anti-suicide vest, 38-year-old Oscar Olea was back in court Monday after he was arrested on multiple sexual battery charges for allegedly abusing and taking advantage of 2 teenage girls. Investigators said the incidents involved a 16 and 14-year-old and happened years ago between 2009 and 2012 while Olea was working as a gymnastics coach in Key Biscayne. The alleged victims, Olea's students at the time, who said he groomed them and then preyed on their vulnerabilities. Text messages we obtained, state prosecutors say, show the suspect sending a picture of himself to a victim. In one chat, one of the victims concerned she may be pregnant, allegedly texting Olea, who responds with, "Well, we need to find out, and let's just say you are. We're taking you to an abortion clinic, okay?" In other text messages, Olea allegedly asked the victim to send naked pictures of herself, the victim allegedly responding with, "No, I'm not going to do that, and please be careful, Oscar. I care about you. I love you." 5 days after Olea's initial arrest last Tuesday, and the victim's relatives in court watched as for a second time his pretrial release was rescheduled.
The state asked for this hearing, and the state is not ready to proceed.
In court, the state telling Judge Alberto Milan they needed more time to redact victim statements, and until that was complete, they were unable to turn that information over to the defense or Local 10, who has made official requests for those documents.
Your Honor, these are very lengthy statements. I am trying to do the redactions as quickly as possible.
Olea's defense attorney by his side calling the delays by the state a tactic to catch them off guard with evidence they wouldn't have time to prepare for.
So ultimately, that hearing was rescheduled for tomorrow at 11 a.m. We will be there for that and let you know what the judge decides. As for Olea, well, he will remain behind bars, now being held with no bond. For now in the city of Miami, Roy Ramos, Local 10 News.